Meals on Disk has been used by this Meals on Wheels service since the middle of 2002. In this short video, we'll see how it has streamlined their operations and helped them to provide a better service to the community. Meals on Wheels services need to keep track of a lot of information in order to prepare and deliver meals each day. Some services use sets of cards, lists, or even notes on a whiteboard, while others may keep some of their information on a spreadsheet. Meals on Disk allows you to keep all the details about your customers and their meal deliveries up to date and in one place. You can record customer details, their meal preferences and delivery run details. The system also keeps a full history of all deliveries, meal charges and payments received. Once the basic customer information has been entered, it's simply a matter of updating details for that particular day and then letting the system work out the meals that need to be prepared and where they need to be delivered.
First thing in the morning, you come in, check any messages on the answering machine, and if anyone has cancelled their meal, we need to go into the computer, into customers' details and pull their name up. Then we go into the specials and we take them off for however long they're off, whether it be just for the day or for a week, if they've gone into hospital. Occasionally we have people who just have a doctor's appointment but they still need a meal, so once again we go into the specials and we just add a frozen meal on for the day and cancel them the next day. Once I've done all of that, I print up the run sheets for the day, which has a list of all the names and what they have for the day.
Because Meals on Disk knows exactly the number and type of meals that need to be delivered each day, it can produce a complete list of all meals needed so the kitchen staff know what to prepare.
Gail prints these on the computer and we have all the lids with the individual names on here as well as this. So then when the meals are all dished up, we take the lids and we put them on the meals, sorting out who gets what, because if someone doesn't have Brussels sprouts like today, we have to give them something else.
The lists are arranged by delivery runs, which helps with the packing of meals, ready for the delivery volunteers. In the past, the kitchen staff wrote names and any special meal descriptions on every meal container lid. Meals on Disk can print labels for the meals that show the person's name, the full details of their delivery and any special meal requests. The labels also show the date of delivery, which is important for food safety reasons. Here, labels are being placed on the frozen meals that are going out that day. The labels help ensure that any specially prepared meals get delivered to the right people, especially important for those who have food allergies or special dietary requirements. However, if you don't want to use labels, this feature can be turned off. Meals on Disk helps delivery volunteers, especially those who don't deliver very often.
On these sheets, the instructions need to be spelled out in pretty simple terms so that anybody that's not used to the run can understand exactly what people want when they have things like special desserts and all that.
The system produces a one-page delivery list for each run. The list only includes people who receive meals that day and provides all the details needed: their name, address, the type of meals they are to receive, delivery instructions such as what to do if they aren't home, and whether any money needs to be collected.
On the Mondays, when the money's collected, when it comes back here on the run sheet, it has for them when they go out on the run sheet, it has how much they need to collect from each client, and when they just need to tick beside it if the person is paid. When they come back, I can then put it under the customer payments on the computer, it will then take off what they've paid and show a nil balance, or if there's any balance at all for them. And it also adds it all up for me, so it makes my life a lot easier. The next day it'll print up that they have a nil balance, and anyone who hasn't paid, it shows what balance they still have to pay.
By keeping track of all meal charges, payments and any adjustments, Meals on Disk also simplifies the treasurer's job. The system has a report that summarises financial transactions over a period, and other reports provide the information needed for government subsidy claims and HAC NDS reporting. Meals on Disk has helped Stafford Meals on Wheels to operate more efficiently and provide better information for the delivery volunteers. But, in the end, it's all about providing a better service for your customers who aren't able to prepare meals for themselves.